You're defeated till we trip. Man, I love to get on. I love to get too on. When the drink get too strong.
I hit it fast, yeah. I hit it slow, but by the morning, girl.
Oh, don't worry, it's fine. You can look. I'm used to it. I'm a real piece of art. One of God's favorite, actually. So yeah, feel free.
I'm a terrorist. I did nothing wrong, but I got on a blacklist. They say I'm a terrorist. Why? If the mistake is coming, I need my do. They say I'm a terrorist.
Keep that candy, yeah. Keep more ready, yeah. I eat you up like caddy, yeah. And you can call me daddy, yeah. Just say to me what you want from me. All this. Oh, wait a second. She just texted me. Oh my gosh, she just texted me. When you text me, I just lose control.
No deny stay with it a little. Why you so not we're not planning on going. When you run, come around, cause now you're the cock of the town, yeah. When you run, come around, cause now you're the cock.
It's impossible to get you off my mind. I think about 100 thoughts and you are 99. There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you.
That's me.
Mom, I don't need an arranged relationship. What do you mean? I've never even met her. Yeah, I need my time to get over her, you know. Oh, wow. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hey, babe. Yeah, I just want to tell you something. Yeah, it goes like this. You know, I wanna put you in 7 positions for 70 minutes, you get it, babe. You know, I've been damaged, so I just be fucking. Please show me how you would treat a man. I know you're not like these other bitches. Show me how you different, unlike these lames. You promise it's better than fucking, and you'll be loving them to the end. Cause I know you haven't had a real wine, so let me change that. Say, I know you're tired of being played, so stay around. How does that sound? Yeah, I thought you'd say that. I'll be there.